Hello and welcome to Plant Powered MTB, and we're doing a bike check today on what seems to be the ultimate version of the Status 140. We're just getting it ready for the bike park season starting this weekend at Mountain Creek. So we just threw on a fresh front tire. The rear tire is like only a couple rides old, so pretty much new rubber. Yesterday we put on new rotors and brake pads from Galfer. The purple e-bike rotors, e-bike pads. There they are. So let's go over the bike check. Starting in the rear, we added a new chrome 27.5 Industry 9 Hydra wheel with the Industry 9 305 Enduro rim. Engagement is amazing, helps you get over almost everything, makes this bike move really good. Next best upgrade was the short cranks, 165 millimeter instead of 170, less pedal strikes, oval chainring from Works Components, the dropper post, P&W loam dropper post with the best buttons in the game, the best trigger, and the lefty, which is unfortunately discontinued. Got some sticky fingers, miles wide grips, brake lever covers, ODI Rogue grips, Spike 35 Vibracore, 820 millimeters with the Spank stem, 45 millimeters. We changed the headset, King Creek Hellbender headset, Manitou Mezzer Pro, also with the Industry 9 29er up front. So this bike is proper mullet with the 2.5 tire in the front and a 2.6 tire in the rear, a little bit wider. I like the effect when you're wheeling and when you're cornering, and it's just a proper moto mullet feel. The Mara Pro Enduro shock makes this bike pedal even better than the original suspension. It works in tandem with the front fork really well. So let's see, anything else? I got my Blue Jay feather, which is the theme for this bike, and added some nice little cable management stuff. We got all mountain style fork guard. We got the Invisiframe frame protection. Got the little booties, specialized boom slang pedals. These pins are quite amazing and very grippy with my shoe combination. So overall, this bike does almost everything I need it to. I can ride trails, I can ride enduro style fire road climbs and then bomb the downhill, or I can just take it to the bike park like I'm about to do this week at Mountain Creek Bike Park. So let's send it.